Well, look, I think the first thing to say is that the medical insurance inflation is not a new thing. It's been around as long as I've been in the employee benefit space, which, as Alex has kindly said, is multiple decades. I probably first started looking at it analytically when I set Thomson's up in 2000, because we had the ability to be able to look at our clients' medical insurance claims in a much more forensic way. And there is no doubt, though, that in recent years, it's getting out of control to the extent that it becomes prohibitive. And I think there are a number of reasons. I'm going to touch on a few of those. But if you look at the trend over the last 3 years, that we're looking at the moment, I think at 24 was about 13% increase, 25, 17%, and already in 26 at 12%, with a possibility of another 20% increase this year alone. As I see it, I think that we could see a doubling of PMI premiums over the next couple of years from where they are today if a radical action isn't taken. And I want to go back a stage even further. That early analytics piece that I talked about, I remember having a conversation with Bupa about the book of business that Thomson's had. We used to do quite a lot of PMI for clients that use the platform, and they used to like our book of business because our claims ratio was quite low, whereas some of the brokers they work with, no names mentioned, but I don't think they're on the call today, their claims were well in the 90% plus, and even in over 100% of the premiums that you guys pay. And just to put that in perspective, the insurance companies need the premiums to be in the sort of 60 to 70% range for them to make a profit, because obviously IPT goes on top of that, which you guys pay, but it adds to the as part of the premium you're paying. So most people don't have a claims ratio within that, which means that most PMI providers are actually losing money. And I think there are a number of very obvious reasons why things are going up, and I'll maybe touch on some of those later on.